Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by preparing the photo and opening your Google account. Make sure the image is JPG or PNG and under 5 MB for faster upload. Once signed in, go straight to your Google account avatar area. In Gmail, click the current picture or in Accounts. Google.com, choose Personal Info. This first action establishes where the new image will display. Do this now so you don't interrupt the flow later. Having the file and account ready saves time when you hit upload. Once you click Change or Add Photo, choose Upload from Device and pick the file you prepared. This step sends the image to Google's editor. Then use the crop tool, position the subject in the center, adjust zoom to include shoulders or a headshot, and rotate for proper orientation. Make sure the preview shows what you want, because Google uses this cropped version across services. After confirming the crop, press Save. The system processes the file and updates your account picture thumbnail. To finish, click Save and refresh Gmail, Meet, or other Google services to see the new picture live. Changes sometimes take a minute to propagate. If the old image remains, clear browser cache and sign out, then sign back in or force refresh the page. If uploading fails, verify the file type and size and ensure you're not using restricted content. If you still have problems, remove the profile photo and try uploading a smaller, simpler image that often resolves stubborn upload or display issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.